everybody, and welcome back. Basically today we're going to be planting a rosebush. This is Blue Moon. Now we was at the nursery the weekend, and Blue Moon was one of Eileen's mum's favourite flowers, so we obviously had to buy one, didn't we? And now we've got to pot it on, and there's a little bit of trimming to do, because if you actually look at it, the buds are growing inwards, and that's not really what we want. We want to try to open it up into a cup shape, so we'll take off any of the inner facing buds, because they're only going to cross over and cause like problems later on, so we'll do that now. And obviously with this we're going to be planting some irises as a just sort of companion planting really. A little crocus, they'll bulk up, and some snowdrops I've just dug up from the garden, and obviously they'll spread out over the years. Now basically you want proper compost. This is Baldermoa, this is iris, and it's for roses and trees and stuff like that. We're going to put some vermiculite in with it, and we're going to add some rose and shrub fertiliser. Now basically just to give it off to a good start. But first of all, your pot. Make sure it's got some drainage holes, because you don't want your plants swimming in water. They really don't like that. So I've got my trusty screwdriver ready. Just push it through the hole. Just like that. That's a bit hard, that one. And there you go. 6 holes in the bottom. Now on top of that, rather than fill it all with soil, I'm going to put some broken polystyrene in the bottom of this, because there's a lot of earth there, not doing nothing. So, and I haven't got it with me, it's over there. There we go. It's only a polystyrene plant holder really. Just sort of break it up in the bottom. It saves a bit of compost and makes the pot light. So also saves the compost blocking the drainage holes as well, which is a good thing. And it sort of looks like that. So we'll cut open the bag, put some in, we'll mix some vermiculite with it. Try not to break Eileen's scissors this time. Should be fine this time, because we're not cutting hard plastic. I'll put my gloves on because it's a bit parky out here today. And obviously this stuff's been outside. It's about 1 degree, 2 degrees today. That'll do to start with. And that's quite a nice little compost there. Quite aerated. Got little bits of twigs in it and stuff like that. So I'm going to add some vermiculite just to make it a bit more drainage. Give that a good mix. You could use horticultural grit if you wanted to, but then it makes it heavy again really. Sort of getting there, aren't we? So that's not so bad. Now I'm just going to add some rose and shrub fertiliser. Shouldn't need it really because it's a brand new bag. So it's going to be in here for a few years. So give it the best chance you can really. Right, now we'll just try it for depth. That's not bad, is it? First time? Not bad at all. Let's do that again. So it'll be just below the surface. I think it'll be pretty good. Right. I haven't watered it because it's been raining. As you can see, the soil is quite wet. So we'll just tip it out. The roots are just coming down the bottom there, you can see that. Oh. Try and keep the root ball intact. up for this bit. So you don't actually want to bury this top bit here, because it will start to rot off. So that really wants to be level with the top of the surface. So we've got a bit more to put in there yet. Just firm it down as we go. But at this stage, it's time to put the irises in as well. That is a nice little root ball, isn't it? Obviously these are going to come up every year before the rose comes up, so a little bit of extra interest. Nice root ball on the crocus. Now, do you think it's worth splitting that? Just to give us 2 lots of crocuses? Easy to do. Obviously these will flower in a few weeks' time. Another nice root ball. Oh, and it does like a nice little iris. And these are lovely little plants, these are. Just tease the roots out a little bit. Drop them in there. Last one of the irises, and then we'll put the snowdrops in, which we've just dug up from the garden over there. Well, that's looking pretty good already, really. Now these are called, near enough I suppose you could call it in the green, and this is the time you're supposed to plant them, but they've got flowers on. I think in the green they've got no flowers, but they've only been out the ground 2 or 3 minutes, so it won't hurt to just straightforward whack them in there, transplant them without doing too much damage and stopping their growth. I'll split that little clump into 3, because obviously it's going to get bigger over the course of time. Nearly there. Right, so we've got our rose planted, we've got our little irises planted, we've got our crocuses planted, and we've got our snowdrops planted. So I'm just going to top up the rest of the earth, compost, and I'm going to take off the side shoots which are growing inwards, because there are new buds here which are facing outwards, which is what we want really. So, oh, the old ground's a bit colder on the lawn it is. That's what I'm needing on a bit of cardboard. That's it, just sort of ease it round. Try not to bury anything. This is going to make a real nice show in a few weeks. When the rest of the crocuses come out. Obviously the snowdrops won't last much longer because they're in flower now. Really up there. Just firm it down with your fingers. Anyway, while I was down the nursery buying the rose here, we happened to buy a plum tree. It's just out of shop there. But that needs some pruning because, like, once again, you want the open bowl for the fruit to grow. And we've got some nice shoots, but they're rubbing on each other. And I'll be doing a bit of pruning on that later on. So that'll be more likely in the next video. After we've been down the garden centre and had some lunch. Always do a nice Sunday dinner down the garden centre. But I think that's pretty much it. I mean, we could put some horticultural grit on the top just to make it look pretty, which I'll certainly do that. Now, I'm just going to take off these side shoots here. There's only a couple here. See that one? Then that would have gone straight across the plant, which isn't really what we want. But lucky there's another bud here. We've got more buds here. And obviously them ones are growing out there. So I think that's okay. Only that one. I'll get some horticultural grit on that. And it'll make it look pretty and finish it off. This one I prepared earlier. Just sort of like a pinky grit, this one, but it comes in all sorts of different colours. But I quite like this one, and it gives the tub more of a finished off look really. Helps to suppress any weeds which are coming. We actually put this stuff around all our hostas, really quite good. It keeps the moisture in and looks quite attractive. Actually, I've got to get another bag of this because we're nearly out. More real hard. Well, I reckon that's pretty much done. Once you've tied up, we'll reuse these plots again for doing our vegetable seeds and our flower seeds later on. We could actually put the label in, but we know it's a Blue Moon label, and I'll just give you a quick description. Where's my glasses? Here we go. It says choose a bright, open, sunny location. Well, that's pretty bright and sunny. Well drained. That's the idea of putting the vermiculite in with the compost to make drainage. We've got drainage holes in the bottom. We could put farmyard manure in, it says, so we put some extra fertiliser in. Continue to water in dry spells. Feed each spring and summer. Height 40 inches by 24 inches, or 1 metre by 600. Very fragrant, light blooms, medium sized rose. So there you go. Blue Moon tea rose. Which is quite an old favourite. Time for a cup of tea. Thanks for watching. See you next time.